Welcome to 2025. My name is Viavo Wusu. I am a legal advisor. I'm a real estate developer, and then I'm an entrepreneur. Literally, I've been involved in legal practice for about 16, 17 years now. I've been involved in real estate for the same period of time, and I've been an entrepreneur for almost 30 odd years. My journey has not been a straight line journey, but life is not really about straight lines. I am the managing partner of Blackstone Legal Advisory Services. We're a boutique law firm specializing in corporate finance, real estate, and private client work. Our transaction history spans everything from oil and gas to manufacturing to agricultural clients and commodity traders as well. The firm was initially founded by my father, Justice Solushola Wusu. He's a retired High Court judge, retired in the mid 90s. And when he retired, he set up the firm. I took it over in 2010. No, 2010. Yes. And I've been running it since then. My idea of a law firm has always been to have a boutique practice, not a big firm, but a small firm that carries a heavy weight, a small firm that has a global outreach. So local knowledge, global reach. And that is the ethos behind everything that I do in Blackstone and everybody that works with me. That is a founding, if you will, drive. It's important to be able to deliver high quality work, provide high quality solutions to problems, and also empathize with our clients. My background has been in real estate, education, technology, and law. And these have helped me bring a very unique perspective in how I do what it is I do. So I'm able to advise startup companies, and the advent of technology is fantastic for me because I worked in technology and IT for about 6 years before coming back to Nigeria and going to law school. And what this gave me at the time, it seemed like an Israelite journey, because I finished my law degree in the UK. I couldn't get a training contract, so I went into IT. And I worked in that for about 6 years. It was quite successful, but I decided to come back and pursue and qualify as a lawyer here so I could face the business of law, so to speak, not the practice, the business of law. And what I realized was my journey to this point had given me a very different perspective. Everybody can go to to school, study law, and finish their degree and go straight into practice as a lawyer after law school. My journey was a bit more circuitous. I helped set up an IT training school. I trained people in web design and web development and networking. I've done audiovisual management and networking. And then I went into software testing, business analysis, becoming a test manager, and doing project management as well. So it gave a very, should I say, well rounded perspective. And this has become very relevant now with the advent of technology and fintech and big tech firms. And when we're now looking and talking to tech firms, to be able to support them in their journey, they then realize, okay, this is a legal advisor that actually understands a bit of the technical as well as understanding the commercial. And that's able to give rise to, should I say, commercially legal solutions to their problems. Companies new to market who are just setting up in Nigeria for the first time, established companies who are being founded. These are the kind of companies we deal with in the technology space. We've supported agricultural companies set up manufacturing plants. We've helped oil and gas firms negotiate contracts and mediate on issues. We've helped commodity brokers handle their commodity trades and trade finance. We've supported finance houses, we've supported financial advisory firms. Really, what I do best is really providing advice. And I help support companies on their journey from getting to where they were to where they need to be. And that's Blackstone, Blackstone's ethos. That's Blackstone's advisory service in a nutshell.